Y mientras tanto, nos demás informe para manera de primitivo rato pasar. Anualmente, Aruba Tourism Authority organiza su business mixer, den cual topa com partner da indústria de turismo e da repassar a área que acaba de terminar e da preparar para a área nova que apenas a começar. O evento conta com candidato invitado junto a elaborar riba o reto ng kuting den turismo, pero na mesmo momento é candidato de oportunidade na kuting efo para nos isla. O tipo de indústria hoje em dia está mais frágil e fácil tá lá for de influência ng ajeno. Tá importante para porta mais pendiente de todo desarrollo, aunque com cifra ng pa Aruba tá mais alentador.
Highest tourism results on record were registered in 2015. Stayover arrivals grew with 8.4% on an annual basis over the period of 2010 to 2015. Tourism receipts grew with an average annual growth rate of 6.4% over the period of 2010 to 2014, whilst RevPAR showed an annual average growth rate of 7.4% over the period of 2010 to 2015. Cruise arrivals also showed an average annual growth of 1.7%.
Generalmente, merca a cresce mais o último ano aqui e toda indicação mostra que o crescimento lo sigue mesmo coisa em ano aqui, pero para por balançar o reto de outro mercado, a decidir que aumentar a promoção de Norte América.
On the meetings, incentive, conferences, and events business is part of the expanded efforts, as well as a push of expenditure amongst other in the retail sector. Pursuing a well-balanced portfolio of accommodation types has been identified as a key priority. Analysis indicates that the island's general interest is best served through a healthy mix of non-all-inclusive as well as all-inclusive hotels. The growing alternative accommodation sector, which was selected as place of stay by 33% of visitors last year, forms an integral part of the gamma of place of stay in today's global as well as Aruban tourism industry. Legislation, regulation, tax collection, quality standards, training, joint marketing efforts are aspects which are on top of the agenda in this regards.
O evento toma lugar diante do Renaissance Resort, onde antes estava a Carpe Diem, tanto for do setor de hotel, operador de tour, restaurante e tienda, todo ting gente a representar.